Tao is the blue sky. Tao is the white cloud. Tao is the wooden bridge. Tao is the flowing river. Tao is the green leaf. Tao is the yellow flower. Tao is the chicken shit. Tao is also the chicken egg. Tao is everything, everywhere, everywhere. All the things, including living forms, non-living forms, or whatever else, all point to the same ultimate truth, which is beyond all the understanding. Through any of the pointers, which is just the manifestation of Tao, it is possible for us to get awakened at any moment in any place.